Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Start of a New Week, Monday, April 8th of 2019, with the morning announcements for today. So, boys and girls, it is time for another early dismissal day. We don't have many early dismissal days left, actually just one more in May. So, remind your parents this week, on Wednesday, early dismissal, 1:05. Remind them every day, every moment, every morning, every afternoon. Every chance you get, early dismissal this Wednesday, 1:05. And then April birthdays. We have Aubrey Van Kuren's birthday today. Happy birthday. And lunch choices for today, we have popcorn nuggets with cookie, General Tao's chicken with rice, and sun butter and jelly. General Tao. If anyone can figure out who this General Tao is and why his chicken is so popular, then please let me know. I'd like to know exactly who is General Tao and why he invented this dish. That brings up our pause for third grade for today. So here is third grade doing their pause.
All right, it's time for our pause, and we have our third grade students here. So they're going to give us some things which you should not be doing so you could earn your pause.
Make sure that you are doing your work and not just sitting. Listen to an adult when they're trying to speak to you. Be kind.
Very good suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys for those suggestions, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. Much appreciated. And start of a new week. So let's have some great choices today. Let's make it a great week. And then also, remember, Wednesday, early dismissal, 1:05. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.